Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I let you in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, you hit it? Alright, come on in. So today I am going to be showing you a tour of my apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. I do have a roommate. I'll be showing you guys both sides. So when you first come in, I put like this key holder to hold all our keys. I feel like it makes it like more homey and you know where your keys are. Then right here we can also put our mail. And then here is like when people ring the bell, that's how we buzz them in. And then to the left of this, you have the washer and dryer. What I really like about the washer and dryer is like they're side by side. A lot of like the units we were looking at when looking for an apartment was stackable, and I felt like it couldn't hold as much as these do. So I'm actually happy that we have this size. And then you have the kitchen. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. But it's nothing special. You have your sink and then you have your dishwasher. Nothing special, just a dishwasher. I didn't have a dishwasher at my mom's, well, my parents' house, so come in to have a dishwasher is just like amazing. Saving like months out of my life, I swear. It just saves me so much time. Yeah, you got the fridge, stove, microwave. We keep our utensils right here. And then right here we have our Keurig section. So we have like so many pods, so many different types of coffee, teas, lattes, whatever you want, we got it. And this is the Keurig we have. Over here in this corner, I keep my Ninja and my extra virgin olive oil. And then right next to the kitchen is Cody's corner. Cody, come here. This is Cody. This is my roommate's dog. This is a picture of him. He's like really fancy. He has like an automatic food dispenser and water. Well, this is our island. Then we have 2 bar stools right here. To the kitchen is a blank wall. So I did put a clock here. Everyone thought I was crazy when I mentioned a clock, but I feel like it just makes it look like more homey, and it's actually a working clock. I did get this clock from Target. Let me know what you guys think. And then this, I really don't really care for it, but it's very convenient. It's from Wayfair, and it basically was falling apart on me by the time it came, so I got a full refund, so it was free. So when it was free, I was just like, hey, why not? I love it. And then you continue to come in, and it's the living room area. So this is a picture of my roommate and I got this like little yellow candle because, as you can probably already tell, the accent is yellow. I got this yellow chair. It's so comfy. I love it, from Wayfair. And my couch right here, it's like gray. It's also from Wayfair. And this is so comfy. It could fit, I swear, like 5 people in this comfortably. Like, this couch is just so big and so deep. I also got this like glass vanity from Wayfair. Thought it was cute. Just keep all the remotes and have our coasters. And just another candle. I love candles, so probably throughout like the whole house you're gonna like see candles. Initially the TV was on this stand, which I also got from Wayfair. This took me forever and a day to put together. Whew, so much work. But since I'm like always in the kitchen, I just wanted something that could like swivel. So that's why I put the TV on the wall. And then A is my roommate's first name, and J, you know, Janet Christine, so Janet. And then I got these like little fake plants. And they just have like different quotes on it, and I thought it was super cute. Like yesterday's crossed off, tomorrow's crossed off, and it's in capital letters. It says now. Find yourself and be that. And actually I can. So just inspirational quotes that I can look at daily. I also keep a lot of my books here. Yeah. So my roommate and I decided to get an accent wall. I don't know this exact color. It's like a bluish green. So I got this like painting from Big Lots. I felt like it tied in the colors together. Like the greens, the blues, the grays, the yellows. That's mostly it. I'm outside to the balcony. There is no furniture out here, but I'll show you guys. It's a good size. And now we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you my roommate's side first. Wait till you guys see her bathroom. It's so massive. Like, look at how huge this bathroom is. You can literally have a party in this bathroom. So this is just like a linen closet. You have her mirror. I love like her wooden stuff. It's so cute. I think she got it from like Bed Bath & Beyond. It's adorable. And I love how like she put like the rocks in here with her like little candle. Gives it such like a zen and spa feel. Then she has like this huge stand-up shower. Just massive. And now we're going into her bedroom. Oh, she's currently doing laundry. Don't mind that. She's folding her clothes. But she got her nice, like, her theme is like black and it's so cute. So she has her nice, like, dresser. Then she has her, like, her nice black headboard. Then she has, desk, which is black, and it's just like so cute. Then she like put some lights up in here. I initially got this for her for Christmas, this like stand-up mirror. I put it in the bathroom. I got this color because I thought it would go with that. So I love that she's utilizing this. This is Cody's bed, and this is her closet. This is such a good size. And that's one of the reasons why we decided to go with this place, is because of the good size closets. Especially in Boston, it's hard to find a good size closet, especially one that you can like walk into. So now let's go to my side. So this closet is just a coat closet. We just keep our stuff in there and like our cleaning supplies. And now where the magic happens, no sir, this is my bedroom. So when you first come in, I got this green bench from Home Goods. I just love this green. So my room is green and pink. No, I'm not like an AKA. This pillow came with like the bed set, but I didn't really like it. And this I initially bought for another bed set. So right now it's just here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I decided to put up some shelves. I really like wooden and like rustic touches. So I found these shelves on Amazon. So I put like some pictures up. This is just my stand. I have my diffuser going. I have my alarm clock. Everyone hates this alarm clock, but look at what this could do. So it wakes you up naturally. So when I go to sleep, I turn it towards me. And basically it just keeps getting brighter and brighter and brighter, and that's like what wakes you up. Well, eventually when the time comes, it starts like beeping, but it's like a soft beep. So I just have more pictures. I have like my incense. I have my Apple charger, my phone charger, little gadget. This is my bed. I like to get quilts instead of having like a big comforter, because you know it's like so hot. So I got this quilt from Target online. It's Paris themed. I never been to Paris, but I felt like it went with like the color theme of my room, so I got it. I kind of feel like it's a lot of pink right now, but it's okay. This did not come with it. It actually came with this pillow instead, but I found this pillow cover off of Amazon for like $4, and I thought it was cuter, so I put it here instead. I have a tray table just so if I want to eat in bed or like do work, because sometimes I work from home and I don't have a desk, so this is where I do that. This is just a book we're reading for the month for book club. It's called The Glass Castle. It's actually pretty good. It's a memoir. And then if you come over here, I just have my dresser with more pictures, my trash. Above my bed, I have a quote, "Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle." I think that's like really like cute and just inspirational. Next to my bed, I have a vision board I got from TJ Maxx, and you can like write on it and like erase it. So I thought that was so cool. So it's just like places I want to go, my dream job, my daily to-dos, my bucket list, what I'm saving for, and health and wellness. And then across, I have my degrees. And then before you go into the bathroom, you see Temple University, which is my alma mater. Oh, and then I have my stand-up mirror in this corner. And now let's go into the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. You have a linen closet here. It's not as big as my roommate's, but I feel like it's still a good size. I love my tub. You can actually, well, I can actually fit in my tub. Most tubs, like, you can't fit in it. I wanted to give it like a spa feel, so that's why I have like these like little fake candles. I actually do have a candle. I use this especially when I'm taking a bath. I can just read, put my phone and nothing gets wet. Next to my toilet, I actually got a tray and put like all my magazines just in case people want to, you know, do number 2 and read or just pick up a magazine. I love this picture of Issa Rae. She just looks amazing. I have more pictures. I just have a lot of pictures, so just like finding places to put them. This is my speaker. While getting ready, I just like to listen to music or watch TV, which is like right there. I can see it. And now we're going into the closet. So this is like a bigger closet than my roommate's, which is why I went with it, because it has more space and I have more stuff than her. So I just keep my shoes over here. My like boots I try to keep up there, but I try to keep this organized, but it's hard. So this is like my fall and like winter stuff, so I'm gonna have to like take this out and put in my summer wardrobe, so I might do a video on that and show you guys. I had some space up there. I stole that picture from my aunt, and then I put it next to my Louis Vuitton bag, which is my Louis Vuitton box, which is like beat up. I just have some hooks where I put my bags and my robes and some more bags. And then right here I have my steamer. I do not have a plug in the closet, so when I do want to use the steamer, I have to like move it out to the bathroom. But yeah, this is my apartment tour, and I'm also gonna show you some amenities that I have in the building. So come on, let me show you. So this is the gym area. I'll start in here, which is like the yoga and cycle room. So it has different cycle bags. Has a Peloton. When you do a workout by yourself, you go over to the computer screen and you select whatever workout you want to do. Right now it's loading, we won't wait. This is it. And then you have like your medicine balls, you have your bicycle, your ellipticals, your treadmills, some workout equipment, like your benches, your press, your dumbbells. And what's really cute is it has a balcony, and the balcony overlooks the pool and the jacuzzi. So let's go look. It's probably packed because today is such a nice day. But this is the balcony, and it overlooks the pool and the jacuzzi. That's the pool, jacuzzi's over there. While you're up here, you can also use the restrooms. I actually love the tile that they have in like the public restrooms. It's just so cute and chic. This is the cyber studio, aka the computer room. So if you want like a drink, you can get it from this machine. You have computers, printing, just different desks. Has fireplace right here. Also has a TV. Just really nice and relaxing. Sometimes I work out here or work in here. And this also leads to the pool. The pool, I don't know if you guys can see. It has like a TV, then it has like grills and stuff. And this is like our package area. If packages come, when you're not like here, it's like Amazon Hub. You put in a code and get it. So we also do have like a little game room. It has like a pool table, TV, a whole kitchen area, sit and dine in, but it's being used for a private event. So I can't show it to you because people can rent it out. And it has like this other game that I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, that's my apartment and its amenities. Make sure you comment and subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.